The session list, located on the left, is also your home page and where you arrive when you first log in. On this page, you can schedule sessions, bill for sessions, and check into sessions. To schedule a session, hover over Schedule and click on the kind of session you'd like to schedule. For telehealth, select Video Session. In Step 1 of the window that appears, select the consumer or patient you are meeting with. If you need to add someone to the session who isn't your consumer, like a consumer spouse, you can click Invite Guest by email and enter their name and email address. If you have a location drop-down, choose which location the session is affiliated with. Select the service type, which will determine the rate and duration of the session and any CPT codes if applicable. If there are no options here, you can create a new session type on the fly with the button beside the drop-down. Give it a title, like consultation, a price, and a duration in minutes, as well as any CPT or HCPCS codes you want to apply to it. For the date and time, leave it as today's date for the sake of this training, and set the start time for 2 hours from now. Ensure the time zone is correct and click Save. What to expect after scheduling your session. An email will go out right away notifying all parties involved that the session has been scheduled. Email and text notifications, if applicable, will go out 24 hours and 1 hour before the session. Email reminders will have a link that takes the user to the login page where they can sign in and then check into the video session. Navigate to your sessions list on the left side of your screen. The first time you check in, you may see the pre-session agreement with some best practices for telehealth sessions. When you arrive in the video session room, you'll see that the client file is along the right-hand side. You'll be able to access personal and emergency contact info, notes, documents, and more while conducting a session. In the right corner, you'll see the chat box. This will allow you to instantly message each other even before clicking Start Session. Here's a quick look at each of the sidebar items you have available during a video session. Clicking Invite Attendees will copy a link to this session. You can right-click and paste the link into a message or email to anyone you'd like to join. They will not have to log in or create an account, but will be taken straight to a page where they can enter their name and join. The meeting ID directly below has a similar use. You can direct them to the login page. They can click Join a Session and then type in their name and that ID. This is also useful for someone using the iOS app, where they can select Join with Meeting ID. When you start the session, you'll be able to go full screen, mute your speakers or microphone, change the view, and screen share. In Firefox, no extension is necessary to screen share. In Chrome, you'll see an option to install screen share. It only takes a few seconds. Once installed, refresh the page and you're ready to go.